Myanmar today signed a contract for Pantsir S1 air defense systems during Russian Defense Minister Sergei Shoigu's visit to the country. Aside of Pantsir, Russia will also supply Orlan-10E reconnaissance drones and radar stations, Interfax reported today. In a recent interview, Russian Deputy Defense Minister Alexander Fomin hinted at the possibility of finalizing the deal. Russia has already delivered MiG-29 and Yak-130 aircraft, Mi-17 and Mi-24 helicopters to Myanmar. In the coming years, they may buy more aircraft, armored vehicles as well as Russian-made air defense systems, he told the local media. Myanmar has also ordered 6 Su-30 jets, delivery of which will be completed by the end of 2022.